Should you choose privatized or government-on-base housing? Imagine moving to a new base and wondering where you'll call home. Deciding between privatized and government-on-base housing can feel overwhelming, but understanding the facts makes it easier. Both options are designed to support military families, but they work differently. Government-on-base housing is owned and managed directly by the military installation. It is usually assigned based on your rank and family size. Rent is typically paid for by the military, so you won't pay out of pocket for rent, but you might be responsible for utilities and minor repairs. These homes are located right on the base, making it simple to access work, schools, and support services. Since the military manages maintenance, repairs are handled quickly, but the homes may be older or less modern compared to privatized options. Privatized on-base housing is managed by private companies under the Military Housing Privatization Initiative. These homes are also on base but are often newer or recently renovated. Rent is paid through your basic allowance for housing, which is deducted from your paycheck and paid directly to the private company. Many privatized homes feature modern amenities, updated appliances, and better overall comfort. Maintenance requests are handled by the private company, but policies may vary, and some families find the process less straightforward than military-managed housing. You are not required to live in privatized housing. If you prefer, you can use your basic allowance for housing to rent or buy off base. This gives families more options for privacy, community, or specific housing styles. Keep in mind that if privatized housing occupancy drops, the community atmosphere might change, as some units could be rented to non-military tenants. When choosing, consider proximity to base facilities, the condition of the homes, and your family's needs. Privatized housing often offers a higher standard of living with newer features, which can be especially helpful for families with children. Government housing provides simplicity and stability, with fewer worries about maintenance costs or rent increases. Your decision will depend on your personal preferences, your rank, family size, and what kind of living environment you want. Both options aim to support your military career and family life, but the best choice is the one that fits your lifestyle and priorities. Whether you pick the convenience of government housing or the comfort of privatized homes, both are designed to help you settle in smoothly during your military journey.